This is a tutorial on how to install ladder racks to your HSP roller cover. Pre-drill holes marked LR on the underside of the side rails on your HSP roller cover. Once pre-drilled, widen holes to 11mm by drilling from top of the side rail down as shown. Repeat process on other feet positions. Line up feet over holes, making sure not to overhang off the side rail. Once feet are in position, fasten. Place leg bolts in position as shown, only a few turns so legs can still slide in. With the assistance of another person, carefully place your roller cover back onto your vehicle. With another person applying pressure to the side rail, carefully mark bolt holes on the tub of your vehicle. These holes are located next to the clamp holes on your side rail. Take your roller cover off your vehicle again. Drill through marked holes and apply touch-up paint to prevent rust. Place your roller cover back onto your vehicle. With another person applying pressure to side rail, fasten 13mm nut and bolt. Apply heat to rubber to soften. Lay out rubber along the ladder rack, then peel off plastic and apply as shown. Be sure to keep it straight. Place ladder rack legs into feet as shown. The legs can be cut to suit if you want it to the height of your cab or the height of your roof racks. Place the bar ends into the ladder rack and fix with the washer and split pin. Place the ladder rack bar onto the legs and hand fasten underneath. Measure to check that your ladder rack bar is centered. Once centered, fasten with Allen key provided. Fasten tie down point in desired position. Fit the provided rubber in all the gaps on the underside of your ladder rack bar. Fasten the previously placed bolts in feet to lock the legs in position. Repeat process on other feet. Now you have successfully installed your HSP ladder racks to your HSP roller cover.